y'all, so we're on the way to do some things with the G today. I'm going to pick up the 3-inch UPT intakes to get them in the car because I'm going to get ready and go get them put in tomorrow. We're going to get an oil change today right before tuning, which is in a couple of days, so get a fresh change and get this bitch running right soon.
We out here next 3 days, shit's going to change.
We about to be at J-Tune on Tuesday, getting that shit in, dyno session. Hey guys, we out here at the instant oil change right now.
Word, bro. We getting the fast oil change.
We getting it done quick because we're about to go to Midas, guys. I literally bought my own oil and everything. It's right back there. But today, we got to get this done quick before the tune. No matter what. Yeah, I usually don't come to these places. But see, tell me.
We out here,
guys, we just got the oil change. See, just got himself this. I'm probably going to cop a few more of these. He can have one, whatever. But he's getting my runners right now. You already know what time we on. Intakes are in the trunk right now. Alright, y'all. So C didn't get me my runners. We ended up copping this shit.
But you know you fucking with that shit, C. Tell me. I'm fucking with the mango chile shit.
It's alright, bro. You know, it's not bad. I can't complain.
Bro, that shit valid, bro. That shit valid for a day like this.
It's just cause my C always be talking about flavors. I need flavors.
Bro,
even in his dabs and everything, bro.
Bro, I need.
Yo, we out here just rolling up in the handicaps, but you already know what's going on. So like I said, guys, super excited for what's to come in the next few days. This is something I've been waiting for over a year since I got this car. So even just getting a tune on it and getting the first steps into actually really, I would say, officially modding this thing, because you can put bolt-ons on the car but without a tune, you know, what really are they, guys, you know, because we're still running the stock tune. So y'all gonna see some action in the next few days that y'all been waiting for. And stay tuned, because we're gonna get this thing. What, see? We're gonna get it
tuned, see?
And then what we gonna do after get it tuned?
Fucking drift and tweak.
Drift. Alright, you guys, so we're almost at the shop right now. We're about to get the intakes put in and get the car towed over to J-Tune tonight. Keep you guys updated. Alright, y'all, so we out here right now putting intakes in. Bumper's already off. We got one side in. We're hacking the hell out of this bumper, man, to get it in. Yeah, to cut that. Yeah, so guys, we're hoping we don't have to cut no bumper or nothing. We got him in. One side.
Put up on my seat, you know.
Dude, this shit looking hard. I can't lie. I'm kind of hyped for you, dog.
No cap. He's gonna have to make another cut. He made the marks for the next cut. This shit.
Here's what we took off so far, guys. This right here, the bumper, obviously, intakes, and we're cutting up right now. Not what you really, not the cut up you think. We're cutting the car up. So we're getting this side in, and the tow will be here in about an hour. I'm watching some drifting. I'm working on cars. Shout out Gio, man. You guys want to get a fade going? I know you definitely do. We're popping the grill off right now. This just better look fire with no grill. Especially because we're going to get all that air right up into there. Yeah. Alright, so basically, guys, we're putting on the bumper right now.
As you can see, he took off the thread.
So Gio's gonna start it, see if this bitch runs. What do you think? What do you vote? Is it gonna run?
I'm not sure, bro.
It started. We might be able to back it out. So it runs. You see how it's falling down? The tow's gonna be here any minute. See, that shit sounded crazy, bro. Tomorrow is J-Tune Day. We're leaving the G outside tonight at J-Tune, y'all, but C's gonna grab me in the morning, and you already know what's going on. So the tow's about to be here, y'all. We're about to get in the car because it's raining. Perfect timing. Just got the intakes got done, guys. The tow's here. We're getting the G up. Unfortunately, it's raining, but thankfully, C, bro, shout out to you. I appreciate all the support. C's about to take me home, and he's about to take me to J-Tune so I can take the key home with me and make sure my car is locked. Because, guys, that's one thing I'm not doing is getting my car stolen or anything of that sort. So I'm going to take the key for extra measures. Man, it was a good experience here getting these intakes in. If y'all need any work done to your cars and you're in the Maryland, Delaware area, hit my boy Z33 Gio up. I'll put his Instagram in the description just in case y'all want to look him up. Alright guys, so the G is at J-Tune right now. We're going to be here tomorrow morning. So dropping it off and getting out of here. Alright guys, me and C are at Chick-fil-A right now. C's doing the norm. Guys, that was almost a disaster. That guy you just seen in the last clip trying to tow my car, he did not know what he was doing at all. See, literally.
Bro, he was a fucking dickhead.
Literally, he did not know what he's doing. He didn't have the winch hooked up. The e-brake wasn't up. It literally almost rolled off the bed, you guys. That would have been so bad. And let me tell you, the exhaust got scraped up a little bit. It's not horrible. Excuse me. It's just on the muffler. But still, it pisses me off because he does not know what he's doing and he shouldn't be working for that type of job, you guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow morning at J-Tune. Alright, so we made it to the J-Tune. Yeah, what you looking at, Sid?
I'm looking at cars.
You said it's some what?
I'm looking at car parts. I'm looking at car parts.
Let's see the cover, man.
Car. It's a car.
You're here, boys. Alright, y'all. So we filled out all the paperwork. Now they just gotta inspect the car. They're gonna throw it on the dyno hopefully pretty soon, and we're gonna get those videos started for you guys. I know you've been waiting a long time for this, so have I. So yeah, here's J-Tune. All right, you guys, you hear the fake cam on the G? They're about to take it in. Guys, it keeps stalling. He's trying to get it in there. We're gonna get it tuned.
Making his way in there though.
Slowly but surely. So we just talked to Hawk. The car's running a little funky right now, as you guys can see, but that's because these intakes don't have a PCV port. So we're gonna have to block that off, and we're basically getting it tuned right here. Hopefully it runs up. We're taking an L brake right now. Hopefully the car gets running right and we can get it on the dyno today. Seat's dying. Alright, you guys, so we're not getting tuned today just because of this small little vacuum leak right here where the bolt snapped off. They don't want to tune it because this side is not going to make as much power as this side, and it's going to be off. So I guess Gio said, instead of paying these guys to fix it, I guess Gio said he was going to come by tonight after work, look at it, see what he can do. So yeah, hopefully guys, we get this thing tuned in the next couple of days. Alright, you guys, so right now he's getting a base map in the car, that way I can drive it. Gio's got to fix it, but we're going to come back hopefully tomorrow because he said he could fit me in and finish the tune on this thing, guys. Stay tuned. It's not over with. Alright guys, so we're going to conclude this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the process today that we went through. So as you can see, we got the 3-inch intakes installed last night. They are in there looking fresh. But just in case any of you wondering why we couldn't get tuned today, it was simply this bolt got snapped off and stuck inside the intake. So my tuner was saying that it wasn't sealed right. So we didn't want to put on the dyno today, which is good because, you know, we want to make all that power we can. And, of course, we want the car to run safely. Maintenance before anything, guys. So, especially when tuning cars. So, as you guys know, so stay tuned for that, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends.